Hey there, so if your K1C isn't extruding, this is something that you can try to do, and there are like two things. So first thing, make sure you close the lever up to. If you did that and still doesn't show that filament a little bit aggressively through the tube until you hear a click, that did for me. Chances are like me, you put the filament in without wanting to damage the machine, but yeah, it creates violence. This advice is a little bit tricky. So the second advice, it was made by Embrace Making, and it was for the K1 here. But possibly you can also fix the issue. Check it out, his video. I'm going to link it down below in the description. If you don't, if it's not in down below in the description, it's like Prevent Creality K1 Extruder Gem. And here he just showed that, do you see that he little bit had like a part there that he had to like remove. So therefore this is something that you can also fix with a K1C there. And check his video out and just follow the whole process. Maybe going to fix the issue. He made it, and just like it's really good, and he's super cool guy. Therefore I just recommend checking that out, and maybe it's going to fix it for you. If this video was useless, I'm sorry. I tried to just like help you. Have a great day and goodbye.